Hi, Assalamualaikum, madam. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on what time you're watching this. My name is Amierah Syazwaniey Rosli, and those are my group members. Say hi. Okay, so the product that we have came up with for this activity is a multi-purpose jewelry frame. So before we get further into the presentation, we would like um, to give a little bit of background information about why we decided to create this jewelry storage. So actually, we try to come up with something that can solve our everyday problem, because we believe that it's very important for us to make sure our product can solve the problems in order to make it marketable. So this is one of the problems we face as housemates, because we always argue about misplacing our jewelry. So we are girls, and we love jewelries, and Khalilah in particular always misplace her jewelry. Maisarah is also like that, but only sometimes. um, so we decided to come up with a brilliant and clever idea to solve that problem, because this nothing like this is in the market yet, because they have trinket trays, but when you put your jewelries inside a trinket tray, they will get tangled. And they also have this jewelry stand which you display on your vanity, but that sometimes can look messy over time. So that's why this is the perfect solution and every girl's dream to have. So the items that we use are this IKEA canvas print art. So we rip it off like this, and it left us with this wooden frame, which we use as the base of the storage. And then we also have this, as you can see, the black one is actually my telecom bag, which I no longer use. So the material of it is actually foamy. So we use it for a purpose which will be explained in the next slide. We also use some leftover fabrics from our previous projects. This cracked mirror, and also this is the only thing that we actually recycle. It's the board from our micro teaching class. So we also did purchase some other supplies such as this hinge, hooks, chain, and screw, this acrylic paint, and also this twine. And Khalilah will explain about the first function of our product.
Right, so for the front of the jewelry storage, you can see it's a built-in board where we use the wanis telekong which contains the sponge, and also we wrapped it using the fabric that we use from previous subjects. So we reuse that fabric to cover the foam, and then it will. So we created this built-in board from those two items. And what you can do with the built-in board, you can place any sort of, you can decorate it according to your taste. So you can put your notes, you can put pictures to make it more aesthetic, and decorate it and put it anywhere you want. Also, it comes with a hook from the twine. And then, so the hinge, we use it to mash the two frames so that it can be open, and then there'll be some items that you can store, which will be explained in the next slide. And also the twine that we use, and also the hook to make to wrap it, and also so that it is well organized. And yeah, that's all.
So at the back of the bulletin board, there is a mirror. And then from the craft mirror that we use, we try to assemble it together on top of the recycle board that Wani has mentioned previously. And Wani has painted some flower to conceal the crack line. And then this only not to conceal the crack line, but also to add aesthetic value. We use acrylic paint to paint the flower. Next. Also, we we have put 3 chains in the middle of the wooden frame. So the chain is functioning as U-ring organizer, and there is some hook below the wooden frame, which function for us to hang our necklace or keys.
What makes our product so great is because number one is multi-purpose. Although our product is designed to solve one main problem, which is storing jewelries, it is also added with some other features. For example, it can be used as a bulletin board, to pin pictures, to pin notes if you are a student, or just your to-do list if you are a working individual. Another feature of the product is that it has a mirror on the inside, which users can look at when putting on the jewelries which they have stored in the frame. So everything about our product has been well thought of. These 2 added features really added something into the functionality value of the product. Another reason that makes our product stood out from similar products that are already in the market is it is eco-friendly and cheap. These 2 factors actually go hand in hand. Because our product is made up from mostly reusable and recycled materials, we can cut our costs pretty efficiently. Thus, we can sell it at a lower price point. But another value is that we are actually doing something good for the environment by reducing the amount of waste produced by recycling and also reusing. Last but not least, our product is also great because it has its own aesthetic value. As can be seen, our product is designed to not only function well, but also to look pretty in a way that no one would have guessed that we made it from recycled and reusable item. The openable feature of the product also helps users to sort of hide the mess from storing jewelries because it will be hidden on the inside of the frame. The target market for our product is particularly women because it focuses on storing jewelries. However, because of the multi-purpose feature and the fact that it can be used to store other things besides jewelries too, it can be said that everyone can use this product, be it a man or a woman.
So there are 2 marketing strategies that we use to promote our product. The first one is to make a good use of social media. So there are many ways to make a good use of social media, and one of it is to use help from social influencer. With influencer marketing, they help us to deliver our brand messages to our target audience. So as you can see from the quote here, if you are looking for an ironclad way to seize the attention of your ideal audience, you should look no further than someone who already has their ears. This is because influencers have the power to boost credibility and extend our content reach into new communities. So the second marketing strategy that we use is to create viral video marketing. This will also seek to spread information about our content, and honestly, these viral videos help increase engagement when it reaches the point where it is being shared by the public at large rather than just its target audience. So for instance, the social media that can be used to upload the viral video are TikTok, Instagram, and live streaming. These are the social media which are in trend nowadays.
One of our marketing strategy is we have good customer service where we use customer reviews and testimonials as promotional material. This means that we use the feedback, reviews or comments that we get from other customers, so that new customers, when they look at our product, they will usually look at the comments first and the reviews first if the product is any good. And they will look at the ratings, they will look at how well we communicate with our customer and how we solve an issue and whatnot. So it is important that we have good customer. That way they will promote our product even more in the future. We also offer warranty or money back guarantee. The reason why is to show our product is 100% quality made, and it is to reduce the risk of our customer that they will think they will be stuck with a bad product if they buy it from us. So for example, our product will have a 6-month warranty or money back guarantee. So if a customer have any issues with our product, they can contact us and we will use these solutions with terms and conditions. So that is all from us. Thank you.